Maximizing sales using JungleScout's sales analytics is a game changer for any seller looking to scale their Amazon business. If you're ready to supercharge your sales and make data-driven decisions, this quick guide will walk you through how to do just that. And before we dive in, make sure to check the first link in the description below. You can use JungleScout for free with exclusive bonuses we've arranged for you. Now, JungleScout's sales analytics is one of the most powerful tools for understanding your Amazon business's performance. Whether you're looking to optimize your sales or track your competitors, this feature gives you a 360-degree view of your business data. The first step is understanding the dashboard. It might look overwhelming at first, but it's actually user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Start by focusing on the sales dashboard. This is where you'll see all your crucial sales metrics in one place. You can quickly spot trends and analyze your sales volume, revenue, and profit margins. With this insight, you can adjust your strategies, whether it's refining your product pricing or adjusting your marketing campaigns to ensure you're staying ahead of the competition. Next, one of the most valuable features JungleScout offers is the ability to analyze historical data. You can look back at weeks, months, or even years of sales trends to identify patterns. This historical data helps you anticipate demand shifts and plan accordingly, which is vital for making smarter inventory decisions and ensuring you're never caught off guard by market fluctuations. But here's where the magic happens. JungleScout's sales analytics lets you track your competitors in real time. You can input your competitors' ASINs and instantly compare their sales data with yours. Knowing where you stand gives you a massive advantage when it comes to pricing, product optimization, and market positioning. You can even analyze which products in your niche are performing the best, so you can adjust your offerings accordingly. Another amazing feature is the profit and loss report. This shows a detailed breakdown of your expenses, fees, and margins, which is key to understanding whether your business is truly profitable or if there's room for improvement. It's one thing to see total revenue, but it's the profit that counts, and JungleScout helps you make sense of it all. To take your sales maximization even further, JungleScout allows you to track your marketing campaigns and link them directly to your sales. If you're running Amazon ads or external campaigns like Google Ads or Facebook, JungleScout can track which ones are driving the most sales. This is a huge time saver and gives you a clear ROI picture so you can focus your budget on what works. But that's not all. JungleScout also offers sales forecasting, which takes into account historical data and market trends to predict your future sales. This predictive insight allows you to plan your inventory more effectively and avoid stockouts, ensuring you never miss out on a sale. Now, I want to remind you that you can start using JungleScout completely free with the exclusive trial we've linked below. This means you can explore these features and see the value for yourself without any upfront costs. To wrap it up, maximizing sales with JungleScout's sales analytics isn't just about tracking numbers. It's about making data-driven decisions that drive real, sustained growth. Whether it's optimizing your pricing, understanding your profit margins, or keeping an eye on your competitors, JungleScout has you covered. Don't forget, the link below gives you access to an extended free trial and exclusive bonuses. Take advantage of it today.